I'm about to tell you exactly how to start selling on eBay. Millions of people are making money on eBay part-time and full-time, and they all start out the exact same way. Watch till the end because I'm going to give you some tips to land your first sale. When you set up your account on eBay, you need to choose between either a personal account or a business account. I recommend a personal account for beginners just because it's an easier setup. You do need to know this. If you are new, you can't go listing 1,000 items. You will be limited to about 10. So don't go kind of crazy on the get-go. Once you get successful sales, you'll be allowed by eBay to expand. Now let's get into it. First, you need something to sell, right? Here's what to do. Number 1, sell your own stuff. This is the cheapest way to start, and some really good categories to look at are books, clothing and video games. These usually have a lot of people consistently searching for them, and because they're clothes, video games, books, there's not a complicated shipping procedure like there would be if you say buy like a car. I would not recommend starting your selling on eBay by selling heavy items. Number 2, source items. If you want to make serious money on eBay, you're going to have to go beyond just the items you own. This means going to thrift shops, car boot sales, flea markets, etc. to find things you can flip and sell them for a good price. I'll be making a video on finding items to flip soon, so make sure you subscribe. Once you know what you're going to sell, it's time to make a listing. Pay attention to these tips so you don't make the classic newbie mistakes. First, take good photos. Photos are your first impression on eBay, so make sure you are taking really crisp, good quality photos with good lighting, and make sure that all the items' angles are on show so the buyer can see exactly what they're getting. Secondly, don't be vague. If you want to make sales, make sure you're using the relevant keywords. For example, if I'm selling a Ralph Lauren quarter zip, I would put that in the title. I wouldn't just say quarter zip or sweater. I would give the brand, I'd give the full-on title, meaning and keywords. At the start of a listing, you have the option to search for the item you're listing and then basically pre-fill some information. Being really detailed helps your item get found and sold, so make sure you don't miss any detail out. Third, pick a good price. The easiest way to price your items is to look at similar items selling on Depop and kind of guesstimate your price off of that. Also consider the condition. So obviously if you're selling a Ralph Lauren quarter zip and the quality is not great, don't be pricing it like you would if the condition was perfect. You can take it one step further by using the Seller Aider Crosslister. This will help you compare prices easily, and it will help you look at all the marketplaces to help price your items. A bonus tip for pricing is to just let people make offers. Offers increase the chance of you making a sale. Fourth, you want to pick the right shipping option. You can choose free shipping, calculated shipping, or flat rate shipping. Each option has its pros and its cons. Here's a helpful visual guide for you. I really recommend you take a screenshot of it. Now here are some extra tips that will help you run a profitable eBay shop. 1, prevent claims. Listen, if you want to prevent any claims from your buyers eating into your profits, always send tracked parcels and make sure your items are not getting destroyed in transit. For example, do not send glass without using bubble wrap. 2, Crosslist. Do not limit yourself just to eBay. That really shelters your exposure. So cross-listing to Vinted, Depop and Facebook and other marketplaces where you can reach a wider audience will really benefit you and your shop. Using an app like Seller Aider will do this for you automatically, therefore saving you lots of time. And you can easily duplicate your eBay listings onto the other marketplaces that you choose. It even syncs your inventory, so if one item sells on one platform, it will then delete it off the other platforms. 3, use promoted listings. By promoting your items on eBay, you will expand your exposure massively, and you just pay a small price to get your item right up there on the algorithm. This can literally be the difference between making a sale and not. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe.